On number 12, I'm solving the system of equations, and I'm going to use the matrix method. There are other methods for solving the systems of three equations with three variables, but the only one that we're really looking at in this course is just the matrix method. So I'm going to fill in the table just with the coefficients, so I don't actually write x inside of my matrix. And this is a 3 by 4 matrix because it has 3 rows and 4 columns. So I want to type that into the matrix. So I want to do second matrix and then go over to edit. And I want to type this into my matrix. Make sure it says 3 by 4. And my calculator only shows 3 columns, but there is another column over here. So you can scroll over there if you want to see that first column. So then I want you to quit out and then do second matrix again, and this time go over to the math menu and then all the way down to RREF and press enter. So then RREF should show on the home screen. Then do second matrix again and go to names, and you want to declare matrix A because that's the table where we've entered in all of our data. So I want to find RREF of A, which gives us this. So I'm going to copy that back down over here. Okay, so normally when we do the RREF, we get a diagonal of 1s and then a bunch of 0s everywhere else, and then our final column would be our answers. Well, here we have something interesting. We have a final row of 0s. And what that really means is, if we retranslate this back into our system of equations, it'll be x plus 3z is equal to 0, y minus 2z is equal to 2, and then just 0 is equal to 0. So because that is a true statement, this is infinite solutions. So we need to express our answer as an order triple. So I'm going to let z be anything, and I want to get x and y in terms of z. So if I look at that top equation, x plus 3z is equal to 0, if I subtract 3z, I get x is equal to negative 3z. And then if I look at the other equation, y minus 2z is equal to 2. If I subtract 2z, y is equal to 2z plus 2. So my final answer is going to be, well, my x is negative 3z, comma, my y is 2z plus 2, comma, my z can be anything, so it's just z.